Hey, this is a super quick little tutorial on how to use the video camera.
Get your camera and open it up. It should turn on right away. And if it doesn't turn on, there's a little on button right here. And then you want to take your camera, put it on a tripod or some stable place and set it up. Press the red record button that's right back here. And away we go. So I'm taking a video of you right now. Hello. Turn the camera off. Connect it to your computer. You plug in the USB cord, and then you hit play right here. So that will save the movie, I guess, or render it. Then we're going to open a device, removable storage, DCIMs, and then you put it onto your desktop, like so. Then you open up your Windows Movie Maker, and you simply drag and drop the video onto the canvas, and so it should play. So I'm taking a video of you right.
So hit the play button, and that will render the video so the editor can understand what's going on. Open up a folder, open up the DCIM, and inside of there should be a video. Drag it and drop it onto your screen, and now you can use it in your Windows Movie Maker. That was a bad one. That's the one I wanted. And so this one we can delete, and you can edit and do all kinds of crazy things. You can add music, you can add a title. You're ready to go. That's it.